Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone. So, we have a new box and it came from Amazon. And they arrived yesterday. I actually have 4 items that was ordered, but there's only 2 items that arrived yesterday afternoon, and I was kind of so busy yesterday again, so I have to unbox our new toy today. So let's go open this one. And I got this, my trusty knife. And let's open this one. This is the first box. This is a little bit small, but has a little weight on it. So let's just open this one and see what's in here. I'm sorry I did not pre-open this one because I'm still busy. I was taking care of my plants, and then I remember that I have a box that I wanted to share with y'all. So I just stopped doing what I'm doing, and I thought, I'm just gonna unbox it and share it with my friends on YouTube. So here we are. Gonna open this one. Ooh, look, it got 2 boxes in here. Oh, it seems like you have a idea what's in the box. Okay, let's go look at it. Since I got 2 boxes, I don't know why I got 2 boxes in here. I only ordered 1. Ooh, this box. See? It's a new miniature fairy garden male house planter. Ooh, I need my knife again. Come on now. There you go. Oh, look. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, no, it's not upside down. Let's drop the knife here first because it seems like we are gonna use it more. Okay, let's take this one. I'm so excited. There we go. Let's put this down there. Boop. It doesn't have an instruction, so we're good. There we go. Oh, it has something. No, not a toy. Miniatures are small items that pose potential choking hazards to small children. Any accessories pictured are not included for illustrative purposes only. Ooh, manufactured in China. That's it. This is actually a planter. Oh, it's hollow inside. So there you go. So this is what I'm gonna use with my succulent arrangement. It's part of it. So there's 1. I don't know why I got 2, but anyway, let's open the other one. Ooh, it's so exciting. Let's put this back here first. And let's open this because I really don't know why I got 2 boxes in here. There we go. Oh. Okay. Let's put this here. Ta-da! Dun 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 dun! What is this? Ooh! I got... Oh! this is the pot. It looks like so small. It's not actually small, it's 6 inches. So this is how it looks like. I thought it's different. It's a different color. Look, it's so cute. So this is how it's gonna work. It has a hole here. This is a ceramic pot, and this is a bamboo. Sorry, tongue twisted. This is a bamboo, and you're gonna put this here like that, like so. It will fit like that. And then of course you put your soil here, and of course your arrangement. So this is it. It's actually a 3-pack. 3-pack, something like that. We'll see what else in here. I got 2. They're all the same sizes, guys. So you get 3 here. There you go. You get 3. They're all so pretty. See that? Oh, I'm so happy for this one. I thought it's a little bit taller, but it's kind of narrow, so that's all right. Let's put it back now, because that's all we got in this box. So we will open the next box. It's right here at my left side. So we put this back in here, that way we don't break it. And we put this set aside here. Ooh, careful, careful, Leah. I'm so excited. Can you tell? Oh, wait. There you go. So let's open it this way. I don't know what this is for, but you see how they ship it? It's so, see, it looks like, it's so ugly. But anyway, let's see what's inside. I'm sure the ones inside are not ugly. Maybe they don't have much packing materials. That's why they just put it like this. But anyway, I'm happy with it no matter what. Ooh, this is not mine. This is actually my husband's uniform. It's my husband's uniform, so I'm not gonna open this one here. I'm so sorry, guys. Anyway, so that's the packages that I got. Let's put it, take it back here. So this is the package, and it's this one here. It's a little bit pricey, but it looks like pretty, and it looks like it's gonna work prettier in my arrangement. But anyway, guys, this is what am I gonna use on. This is just one of it, but of course, as you can see, this pot here is a small pot, so basically it's not gonna go with this one, because see, this is more bigger than this. So I have succulents that can tolerate down to -20. So those are the ones that I'm going to plant and put out here and let it here through the winters. That way I don't use too much extra space in the house or at the greenhouse that's my husband's gonna make for me. So this is the unboxing for today, guys. I'm sorry for the other box. We didn't know what's in there, so that's an extra. Anyway, I love this one. This is just so pretty. So you might be asking why it has hole here like this. This one is also called a planter, so you can put soil here and put your succulent arrangement in here. So, and then you can put it, you are going to put it in a on your other pot. It's a little bit bigger pot like that. I actually have that pot already. If you can see this one, that one there, let's put it like this. Yeah, that pot there, yes, that's the pot that I'm going to use with this one. That's why, if you can see the color, see, that's why that's the color I took. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my unboxing video, and thank you so much for all of your support. My subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and I hope to have your support all the time. So that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.